Investing is an effective way to put your money to work for you and potentially build wealth. Most of our goals have the need for money, and the surest way of achieving these goals is by investing. This is because investing your money allows it to grow in value over time. Investing early can pay big dividends. No one should convince you that you are too young or too old to start investing. Start now and create your own path to building wealth. I will discuss reasons why you should start investing as early as now. 1. The power of compounding works for you. To earn more income, there are two ways to make money. Either you work for your money or your money works for you. Compounding or compound interest is when the interest you earn on your savings or investment account is reinvested, earning you more interest. You can start investing small, but as your investments earn interest, your principal investment amount and added interest earn more interest. This means the amount you put in investments earns interest, and then that amount plus the interest continue to earn more interest, and it goes on and on. As you can see, the earlier you start investing, the more your money will grow, even if you start small. Your annual investments earnings will outgrow your annual salary. So don't allow yourself to rely and live on paycheck to paycheck. The next one is helps in planning for your retirement. Investing isn't about getting rich. It's about building a financial safety net for yourself. At some point in life, you're going to have to stop working. Retirement is a time to enjoy the fruits of your hard work, not surviving on the little you saved or trying to get some hustles to provide for your everyday needs. Wouldn't it be nice to know you have created a way to support yourself? You'll only enjoy your retirement if you start investing now. It is wise to allow your money to grow so that when you retire, you have a satisfactory pot of money that you will use to enjoy your later days. By starting to invest early, you can also retire early. Who wouldn't want to retire while they are still energetic? The power of compounding allows this to happen and reach your financial freedom early. The next one is it's never been easier to invest. There are so many different ways to invest out there, some of which I've talked about, and most of them take very little time to set up. There are easy to use apps and online brokerage platforms which are readily available, and they can help simplify the process of saving money and automating your investments. Another easy way to invest and grow your money is through personal retirement savings accounts or a 401k or any other type of retirement savings plan at work. It's pretty easy to get started. This plan requires you to set aside a portion of your salary and invest it for your future. The greatest advantage of these plans is that most companies offer to match whatever amount you choose to contribute towards your retirement. Index funds can also be a go-to solution for investing. They are designed to track a stock market index. They provide a low cost and easy way to invest in the stock market. The next one is it can help you push back against inflation. It is an economic inevitability that the money you made yesterday will buy you less tomorrow due to inflation. Most people are panicking because of the rising inflation rates. As the value of money declines due to rising prices, there's very little financial breathing space for people right now. You can push against inflation by investing in stocks, real estate, and by investing globally. It is essential that you make your money grow and save it from being devoured by rising inflation. The stock market, for example, has recovered from every market correction and recession throughout history. It has consistently trended upward over time. Today's all time highs will be overshadowed by new time all time highs in the future. The next one is it helps you to improve your spending habits. Investing is not just about growing your money, it can also teach you good spending habits. When you invest, you are forced to think about your money differently. You have to think about how your money can grow over time rather than how you can spend it right now. Smart people use their capital, however small, as a foundation to earn more money. You can do the same by investing and use your money as a tool to build wealth. Rather than simply earn it and then spend it, if you make the habit of investing early on, it will automatically improve your spending habit. Having a budget and allocating the amount you want to invest is the best way to improve spending habits while investing. You'll also learn how to live a minimalist way, that is, living below your means and avoiding debt. The good spending habits you'll develop will help you well throughout life. The next one is it will help in times of emergency. There will be times you'll need urgent money to meet unavoidable expenses, simply because emergencies and the ensuing financial burden cannot be anticipated. This is where investing in emergency fund help out. If you have investments in emergency fund, you can get through tough times without borrowing money from others or applying for an emergency loan. You will turn to your emergency fund to tide through the tough times. An emergency fund is a contingency fund that not only helps financially during most difficult times, but it also prevents the derailment of investments for long term goals. Start investing now so that when an emergency comes up, you'll have the resources to cover it. The next one is tax benefits. Tax efficient investing can minimize your tax burden. You can enjoy healthier returns than from an ordinary investment account. Pensions offer you a tax relief on your payments as well as a tax efficient wrapper for investment. Stocks and shares are also tax efficient. If you want to maximize your returns and keep more of your money, tax efficient investing is a must. As an investor, you may also be able to reduce a taxable income by investing pre tax dollars into a retirement fund. If you generate a loss against any gains from other investments, which lowers the amount of your taxable income. Don't rush into anything. Start small, keep it simple, and keep learning with time. But remember that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time to plant a tree is now. And that is true for investing too. Start investing now so that you may have the luxury of living a comfortable life in the future. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. If you want to learn ways in which you can start investing, make money online, passive income ideas, and how to build wealth, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.